How do we make the invisible visible? In industrial applications, vacuum photomultiplier tubes, in short PMT, enable high-precision radiometric measurements. So let's understand how such a PMT works. A vacuum photomultiplying tube works in stages. The first stage is the photocathode. When light hits the photocathode, electrons get knocked out of the material. In the next stage, the dynode stage, the electron gets accelerated and multiplied by the order of millions. And the last stage of a PMT is the anode, where the electrons are collected and are generating a strong and measurable electrical signal. Vacuum photomultipliers are the preferred choice in many industrial applications for decades, and for a good reason. They are extremely sensitive as they can detect even a single flash of light, and they express minimal noise levels, ensuring reliable and safe measurements. Vacuum photomultipliers are a key technology for high-precision industrial measurements. They make the invisible visible and provide reliable data even under the most extreme conditions. You want to learn more about measurement technology? Then follow Berthold for more exciting content.